What's up guys, you're watching India Today Tech. I'm Rahul Sethi, and in this video we're going to compare the Honor 10 Lite with the Redmi Note 6 Pro. Both the smartphones are priced at 14,000 rupees for the 4GB 64GB variant. They also have full HD notch display, their own interface running on top of Android, and a good hardware under the hood. Both phones also have dual camera setup at the back, but they have very different sensors. So let's compare the camera quality on the two smartphones. This photo shows the dynamic range and detail capture of the two smartphones. Though colors and contrast appear better on the Redmi photo, the other photo is slightly brighter. Also notice the word Mediaplex is more legible on the Redmi photo and has a slightly sharper rendering. This photo shows the Redmi phone captures warmer color tones, and that creates quite a color difference between the two phones. Although both photos appear to have nice color reproduction, sharp outlines and good amount of details, but if you talk about color accuracy in particular, it is better on the Redmi phone, and this becomes more evident in the next photo. The Honor phone appears to be capturing washed out colors in comparison, although the colors captured by the Honor phone are not that off balance, and it's only while comparing that you would feel so. But still, the texture of leaves, colors of flowers and overall warm tinge makes the Redmi photo more appealing. Also, zooming in shows Honor phone captures a more stable shot with sharper and more crisp outlines. Coming back to the dynamic range, as seen in indoor use, Redmi phone does a better job. The difference is not huge, but in comparison, the Redmi photo looks slightly more realistic. This photo shows color production of phones in tiny details. Both photos are sharp, but notice the Redmi photo has deeper blacks and more accurate white tones. The colors are more dramatic and true to life, not saturated, but well balanced yet more vibrant. Now this is the photo with HDR turned off in both smartphones. Clearly, Redmi phone does a way better job in low light situations. The photo is not only brighter, it is cleaner and sharper all throughout the frame. Indoors as well, Redmi phone maintains good color accuracy, details and sharpness. Though the Honor photo is not bad by any means, the Xiaomi photo is brighter, more balanced again, and makes for a better and more usable shot. Now let's talk about the front camera. It is clear that Redmi phone captures more accurate colors. The skin tones are better and so is the white balance of the overall photo. Note that these photos were taken in the auto mode. Although surprisingly, Honor does a better job at capturing bokeh shots. I mean, the Redmi phone has two cameras specifically for that. But the photos are not really better on the Redmi phone, not at least in good light situations. The capability of Honor 10's selfie camera becomes clear in this indoor shot. One, the details captured are much more, and second, it is much better in color production. So the Honor 10 Lite is indeed a selfie-centric smartphone. We saw the rear camera on the Redmi Note 6 Pro does a better job 9 out of 10 times and has much better low light performance. But the front camera is definitely better on the Honor 10 Lite. Do let us know what you think about the two smartphones in the comment section below. And if you like this video, hit the thumbs up button and share it with your friends. Subscribe to our channel to get latest videos on technology, smartphones and other gadgets like this. Thank you for watching.